calling baby, baby.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MAT183 bin Samsul Amri. So today in this video, me and my group members will explain about differentiation. So what is differentiation? Differentiation is a process of finding derivative or rate of change of one variable with respect to another variable. Next, why we use differentiation? Differentiation allows us to find the rate of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, which is acceleration. It also allows us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on a graph of y against x is the gradient of the curve. For additional information, how is differentiation used in real life, or how do we apply differentiation in real life? Differentiation can help us to solve many types of real-world problems. We use derivative to determine the max and mean values of particular function. As an example, for cost, strength, amount of material used in a building, and profit or loss. So, for a deep understanding about this topic, let's move to one of example of equations.
So this is the example of question in this season problem statement, and they are state that a rectangular block has base dimensions 2 cm by 3 cm, given that its volume is 1800 cm3. So the question asks to prove that the total surface area, which is a cm square, is a equal 12x square plus 3000 over x. And then the question also asks to calculate the value of x for which a has a stationary value. Find this value of a and determine whether a is maximum or a minimum. So we can see that there are two questions in this statement, which is the first question is about proving, and then the second question is about calculating. So we will solve all of the questions. Let's check it out. From the information in the question, we can draw a block with the base is 2 cm and 3 cm. Let the height of the block be h/cm. Then we need to express h in terms of x. From the information, we know that the volume of the block is 1800 cm3. So to find the volume of the block, 2x times 3x times h equal 1800, and then we replace one to others, and we got h in terms of x, which is h equal 300 over x square. Then we need to find the total surface area. So the formula to find the total surface area is a cm square equal area of the front and back faces plus area of left and right faces plus area of the top and the base. So we substitute the value, and then we got a equal 10hx plus 12x square. Then we need to replace the h with the value 300 over x square, and then we calculate, and we got a equal 3000 over x plus 12x square.
Okay, we continue. At a stationary value of a, dA per dx equal to 0. So here we have a equals to 3000 x power of negative 1 plus 12 x power of 2. We differentiate it and we get 3000 bracket negative 1 x power of negative 2 plus 24x. We simplify it and we get negative 3000 over x power of 2 plus 24x equal to 0. We move the 24x to the right side. So we get 3000 over x power of 2 equal to 24x. 3000 equal to 24 x power of 3. X power of 3 equal to 125 and x equal to 5. When x equal to 5, the value of a, we put the 5 into the x and we get 12 bracket 5 power of 2 plus 3000 over 5. We simplify and get 12 bracket 25 plus 600 and get 900 centimeters square. For the differentiate for one time is we get at above. So we differentiate again and get 6000 x power of negative 3 plus 24. Or we can write like 24 plus 6000 over x power of 3. When x equal to 5, we get 24 plus 6000 over 5 power of 3 greater than 0. So we can conclude that a is a minimum point when x equal to 5.
In conclusion, maxima and minima are important topic of math calculus. It is the approach for finding maximum or minimum value of any function or any event. It is practically very helpful as it helps in solving the complex problem of science and commerce. It can be with one variable or with more than one variable. This can be done with the help of simple geometry and math function. Finding the maxima and minima, both absolute and relative, of various functions represent an important class of problem solvable by use of differential calculus. The theory behind finding maximum and minimum values of a function is based on the fact that the derivative of a function is equal to the slope of the tangent. Regardless of the application, though, the key step in any maxima or minima problem is expressing the problem in mathematical terms. Finally, everything in this world is based on the concept of maxima and minima. Every time you always calculate the maximum and minimum of every data. Nowadays, results are also based on the concept of grades, which is again based on the concept of maxima and minima. Thank you, that's all from us. See you next time.